direct and indirect speech. Direct and indirect speech. Page number 88, page number 88. When the exact word of the speaker are quoted, it is called the direct speech. What is the definition of direct speech? When the exact words of the speaker are quoted with the inverted commas, then it is called the direct speech. When the meaning of the words in the reported without using the exact word, it is called the indirect speech. Then what is the meaning of indirect speech? The word is reported without using the exact words. It's called the indirect speech. Example is given. Cam said, the monster is coming. It is a direct speech. You can see on the page number 88. Cam said, the monster is coming. It's a direct speech. And Cam said that the monster was coming. Without comma, it's called the indirect speech. Without any type of comma, single sentence is there. It is called the indirect speech. First one is the direct speech. Please still note down this in your notebook. When the exact word of the speaker are quoted, it is called the direct speech, and when the meaning of the word is reported without using the exact words, it is called the indirect speech. Please still note down this in your notebook. Now children, what is the rule to change the speech direct into indirect? We move on to that topic. Now you understand about the direct speech and indirect speech. Direct speech is exact word that quoted, and in indirect speech there is a no comma, no inverted comma, single sentence is going on. It is called the indirect speech. It is called the indirect speech. Children, first rule is changing in the tense. Changing in the tense. When the reported verb is in past tense, you have to first of all see the reported verb. And if the reported verb is in past tense, then we change the tenses is given below. The tenses does not change in case of past perfect or past perfect continuous. If there is a past perfect and past perfect continuous, then there is a no change. Change in a tense. First is simple present to simple past. Second is present continuous to past continuous. Third, present perfect to past perfect. simple past to past perfect. First example is if your reported verb is in past tense, if your reported verb in the past tense, then the reported speech change in like this. If the simple present is given in the reported speech, we have to write the simple past tense. You have an example, Manjari said, my sister likes the painting. Manjari said, we have to put that between the two sentences. Manjari said that her sister liked the painting. Manjari said that her sister liked painting. So here change is simple present to simple past. Here change is simple present to simple past. Another rule is present continuous to past continuous. Series said, I am studying. It is a direct speech, and when we convert it into indirect speech, series said that we have to put that he was studying. He was studying. Present perfect to past perfect. Tanvi said, I have been traveling. Tanvi said that she had been traveling. She had been traveling. Simple past to past perfect. Auntie said, I studied in Delhi University. Auntie said that she had studied in Delhi University. Because simple past tense, you have to first of all quote the tense, and that after that convert into the another tense. Simple past to past perfect. Now past perfect stays the same. There is no change in the past perfect tense. If the reported speech is in past perfect, Kriti said, my sister had lived in the UK as a child. Kriti said that her sister had lived in the UK as a child. UK as a child. Past perfect continuous stays same. Past perfect continuous stays the same. Kai said, I had been living in Ceylon for 5 years when I started trekking. Kai said that he had been living in the Ceylon for 5 years when he started trekking. Simple future tense to simple past, simple future to simple past. Anshul said, I will join this college. Anshul said that he would join that college. Anshul said that he would join the college. First of all, children, write 4 of this. Simple present to simple past, present continuous to past continuous, present perfect to past perfect, and simple past to past perfect. Simple past to past perfect. Please note down this. Now move on to the next. Write down past perfect stays the same. Past perfect stays continuous stays the same. And simple future simple future to simple past. Now again write past perfect stays the same, past perfect continuous stays the same, and simple future to simple past tense. Simple future to simple past tense. Please children note down this. Now move on to the next topic. Exceptions. When the reporting verb is in present tense or the future time, the tense in the reported verb remain unchanged. When the reported verb, first verb, reported verb is in present tense or in a future tense, then the reported verb remain unchanged. Alam says, I am feeling better. Alam says that he is feeling better. You have to write the pronoun about first subject. Alam says, I am feeling better. Alam says that he is feeling better. Second, when reporting a universal truth or moral principle or a natural fact, we may or may not change the present tense in the reported speech. Example, Dipti said the Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean in the world. Dipti said that it is a universal truth. There is no change in this sentence. So, Dipti said that you have to only put that and remove the commas and inverted commas. The Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean in the world. When the reporting a universal truth or the moral principle or natural fact, we may or may not change the present tense in the reported speech. So children, please note down these two rules also. When the reporting verb is in, when the reporting verb is in the present tense or future, present tense or future time, the tenses in the The reported verb remain unchanged. Please children note down this. When the reported verb is in the present tense or future time, the tense in the reported verb remain unchanged. Please note down this. Another point is when the report universal truth or a moral principle or a natural fact we may or may not change the present tense, change the present tense in the reported speech. When the reporting universal truth, when I reporting a universal truth or a moral principle or a natural fact, we may or may not change the present tense in the reported speech. So please children note down this in your notebook. and possessive adjectives. Then what it is? Changing time and place word. Changing in pronouns. Changing in pronouns. Rules are: first person pronoun are changed according to the subject and reporting verb. You have to change the pronoun in the next sentence. Sonali says, I have got my bag packed. You have to put from the Sonali, as per Sonali. Sonali says, I have got my bags packed. Sonali said that. Sonali is girl, so she is used here. She has got her bags packed. She has got her bags packed. Second person pronoun and the corresponding possessive adjective remains the same if the reporting is done to the same person. If the talking about the same person, so I said to you, your speech was very well received. I told you that your speech is been very well received. So you and your speech. Second person pronoun and the corresponding possessive adjective change to the first person if the person being addressed in the reported speech is in the first person too. Somebody said to me, you should enroll in the dance class. Somebody said to me that I should enroll in the dance class. I should enroll in the, you have to put I from me. In first sentence, somebody said to me. So you change into I should enroll in the dance class. Third person pronoun and the corresponding possessive adjective do not change while the reporting. Patty said, Maria is playing her best these days. Patty said that Maria was playing her best those days. Patty said that Maria was playing her best those days. Changing time and place words. Often it is about the pronoun. You have to see the sentence properly and then put the pronoun correctly when you convert direct indirect to indirect speech. Changing time and the place word. Often the reporting happens later in a time and sometimes at different place from that in the direct speech. That is why when we report sentence in direct speech, the words denoting place, nearby or recent time are changed to make them more distant. Example, Toto said, Meena is standing here right now. Toto said, Meena was standing there, here, there, now, at that time. We have to change like this in direct speech and indirect speech. Please children note down this: changing pronouns and possessive adjective, changing time and place and the word. Please children note down this. Now, if the noun is in direct speech, then at that time. tonight, that night, THELC this, THOLC those, HERE here, THERE there. Please children note down this. Now, then, at that time, this, that, tonight, that night, this, those, here, that. If there is indirect speech, we convert it into the indirect speech. Please children note down this. Yesterday, if the yesterday is given in the direct speech, in the indirect speech we have to convert it into the previous day. The previous day. 10 minutes ago. 10 minutes ago. 10 minutes before. Tomorrow. The next day. The following day. And last night, week, month, year, the previous night, week, month, year. Please children note down this. Yesterday, the previous day, 10 minutes ago, 10 minutes before, tomorrow, the next day, the following day, last night, week, month, year, the previous night, week, month, year. So children, please note down this. Now you understand the concept of direct and indirect speech. When the reported verb is in past tense, we have to convert it into the sentence given tense from it, and the words which are changeable, we make a list and write down it, plot it. So now you know about the little bit direct and indirect speech. Direct and indirect speech. It is your homework time. Write down the homework. all the examples of Unit 24 in your notebook. Please children note down your homework. It is the bye-bye time. We will meet in the next video and do the exercise. Till then, bye. Have a nice day. Thank you.